Hey, hi, everybody. Let me share my screen. Okay, this is a screen. Let me walk you through my project very quickly, fast. So this is about Twitter. You can see that this is my Twitter timeline. I'm very active on Twitter. This is my profile for Stack Overflow, and this is my site where I have created all those links. So this is the dev post site which I created. I can refresh it. It's a live link. It's called twitterml.twitteringnyc.us. I just use the subdomain which I already own the site. So this is all my home timeline. You can click on it. It will show me. It will show you the real what my timeline has. I can see my mentions also. Who mentioned me? I can click on them. Anyway, this is whole real time. You're getting your data real time. You can do the same thing here. That you can put your screen name here, this slide, and you can say whatever you want to say or something like COVID-19, and you can see their timelines, what is happening on COVID-19. So this is COVID-19. You can see all those things. I can click on them. So this was a quick thing, like I'll know how to use Twitter app, and this is my Twitter app developer account. This is the Twitter app which is doing all this magic. This was simple, but what I'm doing with this all SageMaker, that's the most important question. So I created all these abusive content endpoints, and I'm using C#.NET for all these things. So now you can see that since I have these endpoints, I have to run them with either S3 or I can make a batch process. I'm using two APIs. So this is my submission process. I'm like 3 minutes ahead of submitting it. So this is my first API, and this is my 7-park data chat and informal text in here. So what happens here is that when you try to text something, like you are typing something here, ASD something something, or maybe I'm writing something with some strong words, entity hates. So it will prevent me from doing that. It will say, don't do that. It's a bad thing. And this is another API which I am using, abusive text content detection. And this is how it works, that you pass a payload and it will give you output in this thing saying, is it toxic, is it obscene, is it threat, insult, or identity hate. At the same time, I'm running another thing which is like, I can write this some statement like this, and this nflex is wrong, which is should be netflix. So it will fix all those contents for me. So this is the whole thing, how I can make my Twitter better and clean. Based on that, I can do almost everything. I can clean my Twitter. I can clean anybody who's sending me, mentioning me with wrong tweets, and I can scan them. I can run abuse, block, everything with Twitter. Thank you for this. Have a nice day.